How to send high quality video on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send SD videos on WhatsApp without losing quality. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the WhatsApp app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply select the chat where you want to send the video to. Now, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the camera icon shown in the bottom right side. And by tapping on that, a menu will appear from where you can choose and select the video that you want to send. From there, simply swipe up from the bottom and the screen will be extended. Now, simply select the video that you want to send. And once you're done selecting it, on the video, you can see the HD option in the top right side. Simply tap on that. And from here, simply tap on HD quality from the standard quality. And once you're done with that, simply tap on the send button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, the video will be sent in its original HD quality. So the recipient will see it just as clearly as you do. And there you have it. That's how you can send HD videos on WhatsApp without losing any quality. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.